A huge community of sellers at Lightfunnels have no idea that they can sell digital products using Lightfunnels. No need for external solutions. Everything you need is inside one platform, Lightfunnels. So let's walk you through it.
First, head to the product section inside Lightfunnels. After creating a product and filling in the title and description, change the type of the product from a physical product to a digital one. Once done, as you can see, a new section for digital delivery will show up. This section is where you can add the digital files or keys you want your customers to receive after completing the purchase. For downloadable files, click on Add Files and attach the files you want to sell. For license keys, you can create a key group either by importing them from CSV or adding keys manually by simply pasting them. And let's not forget hitting Save after every step. Now let's move to another option, which is variants for digital products. For example, you can set 2 variants for a PDF. One for free that your customers can get to preview the product, and another paid one with the full file and keys. As we mentioned, at Lightfunnels, there is no need for external solutions. You can set up your email system for free using Lightmail. Head to Lightmail, Email Sets, then create a new email group. Name it, edit the sender name, select the domain that will be used for sending your emails, select the source funnel/store of your product, update the type of the product to digital, select a template, and save. Inside the email builder, you can update the template to follow your brand guidelines. Now, inside the funnel builder, if you want your customers to download their digital products at the thank you page level, make sure to edit the primary action of Manage My Downloads to Open Downloads and save. And let's go through your customer experience. Let's buy a digital product at Lightfunnels. As you see, it's well received.
Don't forget that digital products are the trend now and the opportunity is huge. With Lightfunnels, everything is already in your hands. So start building and selling today.